Alright, just got done converting a really crappy RCA soundbar into a visual audio setup, since my old setup kind of fried because it was cheap Radio Shack components. So, give it a test here. It's better with the lights off, obviously. So, we'll see what it does.
Such a lonely day, and it's mine, the most loneliest day of my life. Such a lonely day should be banned. It's a day that I can't stand.